guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making we're going to need some fish sauce, some sweet chili sauce, some soy sauce, or for those who are gluten-free, tamari, some sesame oil, and half of a lime. So, and we'll also be needing minced chicken as well, or ground chicken. All right, so to make our sauce, so in this bowl here, I have 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce with 2.5 teaspoons of fish sauce. I'm now going to add to this 3 teaspoons of soy sauce or tamari. So that's 3 teaspoons there, and now I'm going to add a half of a lime, and this will be our sauce for our minced chicken. All right, so we just mix everything well, and we will put our sauce aside. These are the vegetables that we're going to use. The vegetables that we would need will be bell peppers. Now, I did not have bell peppers, so I'm using seasoning peppers. We would really need what is called Thai basil. I don't have Thai basil, so I'm substituting with another type of basil that I have in my garden, which is called bush basil. So we're going to need that. We're going to need some chive or spring onions. If you have more, that would be good. About 4 cloves of garlic, and we're going to use about 2 carrots. So what we're going to do is julienne our peppers and our carrots. Okay, so our vegetables are all prepped and ready for cooking. So we will add a little bit of sesame oil to our wok here. Now we're going to add in our garlic and saute until fragrant. That will take a few seconds. Now we're going to add in our minced chicken and cook completely. All right, so now that our minced chicken is cooked, we're going to remove that. And now in our wok, we'll add a little bit of coconut oil. And we're going to add our peppers and carrots, and we're going to stir fry until soft. Okay, so now that our peppers and carrots are soft, we're going to add back our minced chicken. We're going to stir everything together. We're going to add in our basil, and we're going to mix well. And now we're going to add our sauce and cook until our basil wilts a bit. Okay, so now that our basil has wilted, we're going to sprinkle with our spring onions or chive. And of course, the more the merrier. And there you have it, folks. Our Thai minced chicken. And we can serve this on top of a lettuce. Enjoy!